If we were to launch a new Facebook page for the custom apparel branch of the company, we would be able to better market our products and create a unique online community. Facebook is the most widely used social media platform. In addition, Facebook has applications for businesses to aid in their exposure, making it the right choice for social media advertising. Our startup company, Wolfwear, has the potential to absorb the business of t-shirt printing at North Carolina State University and the surrounding Raleigh area. However, this cannot be achieved without proper marketing. Right now, we are spreading the word about the new website launch through our personal social media sites, but have yet to create a page unique to Wolfwear. If we continue doing this, the pool of people we can reach is limited. However, if we create a Facebook page, we will have the opportunity to engage with their 2.6 billion users. How often do you see a college student reading a newspaper? Not often. However, you do see college students on their phones. In fact, a Baylor University study found that university students spend an average of 9 hours a day on their phones. The ads we have put in the local campus newspaper, The Technician, have created some buzz about our service, but this is insufficient advertisement. Young people today seek information online, as if one study showed that only 20% of students reported reading a newspaper daily. In addition, without a strong online presence, young people are likely to think that the company may be dated or unimportant. If we create a Facebook account for Wolfwear, the exposure will result in benefits our company cannot afford to live without. With a new plan of action, I hope we will be able to achieve the following benefits: increase of sales by 200%, marketing our products to the university clubs and organizations at NC State, track conversation pixels with Facebook ads, get a Facebook beacon to reach our local audience, set up an in-app purchasing feature to enable payments directly through Facebook, and create a client base with a sense of community. My plan is to hire a marketing representative to take on the website, which has already been established. The responsibilities of this employee regarding the website will include keeping it updated aesthetically and with announcements or sales. In addition, this employee will take on the Facebook account, create the page, track hits, create and post ads and announcements, collaborate with other Wolfwear employees, and take on the responsibilities of the page's success. One of the first things that should be launched after the initial page is created is a Facebook beacon. With this feature, small businesses can send out information to Facebook account holders who are nearby with their Bluetooth on. With this feature, an ad will be placed at the top of nearby account users' feeds that could be a welcome message introducing the company or a prompt to visit our page. This is a free tool offered by Facebook to business pages that could immensely benefit the exposure of our company. Since the headquarters are only a few miles from NC State's campus, we would be able to put our company's names on the phones of the prime audience we are planning to target. This marketing representative would also be in charge of sales that would take place directly through the Facebook app. For example, if we were to run a promotion with advertising on Facebook and a client wanted to complete the entire transaction through the app, we could provide that service. In addition, since the money would be sent through Facebook's money exchanging tool, there would be no service charge, unlike rival internet money exchange apps such as Venmo or PayPal. Another responsibility of the marketing representative would be to use Facebook tools to track hits, promote posts, monitor profile visits, and create a custom audience ID for conversation tracking. Facebook recently updated their conversation tracking to increase speed and accuracy when using the website conversation ads or website retargeting. With this information, the employee would be able to see what type of post gets the most interactions and create better content for the future. This would also reveal what the audience is most receptive to our company, which would be helpful for future marketing tactics. Finally, once a small client base has been established, we would run a promotion to entice Wolfwear clients to advertise our services on their own pages. This would be a great way to gain the business of clubs and organizations on NC State's campus. With a Facebook account, we could connect with young people in a better way that is consumer friendly. All of this would take place starting this fall and hopefully end with a 200% sales increase by December 2020, as shown in the graph above. The main cost in this endeavor will be paying the salary of the marketing representative. I think it would be in the best interest of the company to offer a salary of $25 an hour. This position would only be part-time, so we would be looking at working in approximately $22,700 into our annual budget. In the beginning stages of the website launch, an extra cost should be calculated for advertising. On Facebook, ad costs are figured in terms of cost per click or cost per 1,000 impressions. This cost compared to the cost in other social media was another factor pointing towards Facebook as the right platform to invest in. As of 2019, Facebook has the lowest cost per click when compared to similar social media sites. However, since the use of Facebook has been growing exponentially, there has recently been a problem with Facebook's finding empty space for new ads. For this reason, Facebook has one of the highest costs per 1,000 impressions. This will not be a decision-making factor for our company. Because of the size of our t-shirt printing branch and the audience we are hoping to reach, this will not be a cost that becomes a financial burden. In order for our page to be successful in the primary weeks of its launch, I propose that we factor in $500 to put towards an ad campaign that will create buzz about Wolfwear. Following this initial cost, however, that will only be a monthly cost of around $50 for Facebook ad space. In conclusion, the Wolfwear branch of the company needs a Facebook account in order to maximize exposure and increase sales. Without having a presence on social media, it is possible that the audience we want to reach, college students, will not be receptive to our service. However, we can create a unique online community with a Facebook account. This endeavor will create an extra workload that will merit the hire of a new marketing representative in order to maximize the benefits of this account. However, after the startup cost of $500 an ad, this will increase our annual budget only by approximately $23,360. This should not be a problem. With a 200% sales increase in the first year, this is a beneficial financial move and the right move for our company.